Hello everyone! So if you want to enable and disable developer options on your Redmi Note 13, you have to open up your settings, find your About Phone tab, it's the first one, at least by now, and now find your OS version. Now you're to tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we opened up our developer options, so how do we find them? Go back to your settings, scroll down to your additional settings, and here you'll find your developer options. Here they are. So tap on them. Here you can do a lot of things, simply go through it. However, if you want to close it, once again, open up your settings, find your additional settings, find your developer options, and to deactivate it, simply tap on the switch near it. And that's it. Now they are disappeared. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.